Are you planning to study mass communication and media in Australia? Then you have come exactly to the right platform to know all about this study stream. Watch the video till the end to understand the different colleges offering these courses, the cost and the course duration. Hello and welcome to Edutrainex, your best buddy to guide through study abroad and PTE preparation. I am Nandini Watts and today I'll be talking about studying mass communication and media in Australia. Well, I have made videos on other study streams as well. You can watch them all on our YouTube channel, and if you want to get regular updates and notifications, then subscribe our channel, and if you think it is going to be helpful to your friends or colleagues too, then sharing the link might do the job, right? So let's get started. Social media, television, radio, billboards are the forms of mass communication. They are the examples of ways people and organizations convey information to a large audience. Now, students who major in communication learn to think critically and communicate messages on a variety of platforms. Mass communication and media include the several branches like advertising, journalism, public relations, film and television, and digital media. See, in advertising, you market a product or service in a way that convinces prospective customers to purchase it. In journalism, you gather, create and present news and information to a wide audience through newspaper, television stations and radio stations. In public relations, an organization manages its public information. This is quite different from advertising because it gives a complete view of a company. Now, let me tell you about the benefits of studying mass communication and media in Australia. First of all, Australian media companies are recognized internationally as giants of the industry and have been steadily growing. The Guardian Australia, News Corp Australia and The Spectator are some of the biggest media companies in Australia. Then universities in Australia are often cited as one of the world's most prestigious education systems. The majority of its educational institutions ranked among the best in the world. So according to the 2019 Media Federation of Australia census, females in Australian media agencies are now paid more than their male counterparts. So there is a steady balance of job roles between men and women, with more women occupying key positions. So with your student visa, international students in Australia can work up to 20 hours per week while studying. Also, you can gain, with this, you gain experience in your field that can be included on your resume as your work experience and earn extra money to support any extra expenses. If you see future in mass communication and media, then you need a few specific skills like strong skills in analysis and research. Keeping up with what is going on around the world is essential for mass communication professionals. So this is the reason why they must deliver highly reliable and viable information to the audience. So to support their stories, authors should conduct extensive research on the subject as well as know the type of audience they are writing for. Then there is establishing broad media relations. So growing your professional relationship is what makes a communication major. Keeping your client list and agency list growing is a very crucial skill. Now, it is bound to happen that you will have to present your ideas or report to your superiors or management leaders at some point in your career. In most cases, this occurs before publication or before airtime recording. So therefore, it is important for communication majors to know how to communicate future plans and strategies with their teammates effectively. Visuals in your presentation must be clear and informative. Then it is the ability to conduct effective interviews. So interviews are at the heart of mass communication. In most cases, professionals must learn inside and outside their specific job duties. So to conduct a smooth interview, they must learn how to prepare and carry out a conversation with the subject. Question needs to be asked intriguingly so that the information can be extracted as freely as possible. Now about the entry requirements and qualifications needed to get admission in the universities for mass communication and media. It is common for educational institutions to accept applicants from a variety of academic backgrounds. Still, you will have to provide your relevant qualifications and academic achievements to be considered. You must provide the most recent evidence of your English proficiency if English is not your first language. You will be required to take an English language test to apply to most institutions like PTE, IELTS and TOEFL. Now, if you want to prepare for PTE, then Edutrainex is the one-stop solution for all your PTE-related doubts and queries. Enroll yourself to explore the extensive services this online platform has to offer. Visit the website, the link I'll put in the description below. So the field of mass communication offers a wide range of career opportunities for graduates. So let's see what the job outlook is and what exactly they do. The first is news anchor. Well, I guess you see them every day at your home, early morning periods, watching the news and all the anchors all decked up. So broadcasting news stories on a variety of television networks is what a news anchor does, right? Then there is the journalist who is known for being a storyteller. So in various media outlets, they write news stories based on ideas, research and interviews. So they can work around different issues and educate the public about them. Next is translator. Experts in the field of translation are linguistic experts. Translators read, interpret and translate text between languages. They may work independently or through an agency. Then there are others like film director who controls every component of a movie and ensures that it runs smoothly during production. As they envision how scenes should play out, they work with the individuals to make it a reality. And then there is sound engineer who works with sound recordings and mixing. Their duties include working with music and designing and controlling sound systems. I'm sure you will agree with me that all these career prospects are very interesting and enticing, right? Talking about Masters in Media Studies and Mass Media, this field of study focuses on the history, content and impact of various tools and methods of collective communication. Media analysis deals with analyzing images, sound and text and the technical aspect of delivering media. So mass media studies focuses on topics such as the history of mass media and its impact on society, as well as deeper understanding of communication theory and analytical approach to new media development. You will learn specialized skills such as writing skills, editing techniques and the production process for specific aspects of the media. Journalists, media planners, broadcast producers, market researchers, social media managers, public relations consultants are some of the career options available to the graduates of media studies and mass media. Here's a list of media and communication courses in Australia. Therefore, put your multiple talents to good use in an area that offers a wide range of opportunities. Become a part of this industry by enrolling in one of the courses mentioned. That is all about mass communication and media in Australia. Stay tuned to get the updates regarding other study streams as well. Till then, take care. Thank you.